Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I will show you this afternoon how to replace the battery of my Dell laptop. The battery is old already. When you try to charge it, you could smell something like an odor thing. So that's a sign that we must have to replace the battery. So what I did is that I got the serial number of the battery. So I just ordered this one from Amazon. So this is the exact replacement of the old battery with the same specification, the milliampere hour and the input voltage needed for the input of this one. To replace the battery of this laptop here, okay, we must have to go to the back cover. This is actually the latch that we will be moving, so we could remove the battery. So now the battery is removed. Okay, as easy as that one for this laptop. Other laptops, I think it's a different story. I think you must have to remove the back cover before you could access the battery. But for this laptop here, it's an easy one, even just to install it. You just install it. You do the reverse, you know. Okay, it's in again. So if you have to remove this battery here, you must have to detach this one, put it in the other side, then try to remove the battery. As easy as that one. So this battery here are actually the same. You see it? They are actually the same. This is the old one, this is the new one. So the specification is this one, same as this one. Like on the ship, if you will be buying a battery without this, because this extension should have the extension of the new battery. So it's a must that you know the exact figure of your battery. The battery voltage might be the same, but if the physical configuration is different, you could not insert it. And this one, they're exactly the same. Okay, so this is the old battery. This one got smell already if you try to overcharge it. Okay, you could smell something bad, you know. So I think it's about time that we must have to replace this one, because I know that smell thing could be a toxic thing already. So to place back this new battery here, okay, it's the same as the old one, you know. Okay, we do like this. We insert it like this, and it's locked. Because when we try to push this one, the latch will close, and the battery is placed already. As simple as that one. For this laptop here. For other laptops, I don't know, because I got my Apple laptop. I think the battery pack is not something like this that you could easily remove it. But for this laptop, my laptop is more than 10 years old. This is a really made-to-order battery, no, laptop, so it's a different thing. It's more than 10 years. So this is now the old battery, and we must have to dispose this correctly because this is toxic. Okay? And if we try to operate this one, I hope this one got a charge already. I will try to push this one. It's working. It means to say that the new battery got a charge. Okay, simple as that one. So my Windows 10 operating system is now, what they call this, starting up. So this is the old battery. We placed already the new battery. And it seems the new battery got a charge because actually the laptop is now operating, because if the voltage of the new battery is very low, you could not operate the operating system. Later on, I will place this one on my table inside, then I will try to charge it to the correct specs. Meaning, I would like to increase the charge of this battery before I will fully use it. This is the old battery. We must have to dispose this correctly because this is toxic. The operating system is now starting up. My operating system here is actually Windows 10 Home Edition. I got my other laptop, it's a Mac Pro, an Apple thing, you know. That's an additional computer of mine. So now the laptop is working. So I will try to log in. So I just log in. This is a local account, so I am not actually connected directly to Microsoft. So, you know, Microsoft could not control what I am doing on my computer without any interference. So actually I am using my local account. I'm waiting for the screen to come out. Okay, that's it. I would like to see how much the charge on the new battery. I'm waiting for the icon at the bottom portion, you know. So guys, the new battery that was installed was actually the same as the old one, okay, and it is now operating. I think the battery got a 50% charge, so the new battery is still what do you call this, could operate the computer correctly. I will try to connect to my privacy thing. Okay, that's my Malwarebytes privacy. Actually, I am connected to a VPN. Okay, so I would like to activate my VPN. That's it. I am now connected to a VPN, and I am connected somewhere in Colorado. I would like to avoid these trackers, you know. That's why I got a VPN. Then I will try to activate my Malwarebytes antivirus. Then I would like to see if the computer specs or meaning conditions are actually working. Okay, the Malwarebytes antivirus was actually 100%. Nothing was found for it to be, my computer to be, you know, hacked maybe. So I will try to scan. So that's it guys. My new battery now operates my laptop. I am now connected to my VPN somewhere in Colorado, okay, for the trackers not to track me. And right now, I am now operating my antivirus, and I would like to see what will come out if there is something like a hacking thing. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. This is my laptop in which the new battery is installed. It works fine. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles.